In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a banner on WordPress. Whether you're new to creating websites or just looking to enhance your site's design, adding a banner can make a big difference. Banners are perfect for highlighting important messages, creating a visual impact, or simply giving your site a polished, professional look. And with WordPress, it's easier than you might think. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can follow along and have your banner ready in no time. If you don't already have a WordPress account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. All right, let's dive in. First, open your browser and navigate to wordpress.com. Once you're there, look for the login button in the top right corner and give it a click. This step brings you to the authentication page where you can securely log into your account. Next, choose your preferred login method. If you already have your WordPress credentials handy, you can enter them manually. Alternatively, if you'd like to log in using your Google account, simply click the Continue with Google option. If prompted, go ahead and select your Google account. Now, just in case your Google account isn't saved or recognized, you may need to enter your Google credentials manually to proceed. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your WordPress admin dashboard. From here, locate the Quick Links section. It's typically on the right-hand panel. Within Quick Links, find and click the Edit Site option. This will take you to the site editor, where you can make changes to your website layout and design. Now that you're in the site editor, hover your cursor over the top left corner of the screen. You'll see an Add button appear. Click on it. This is the tool you'll use to bring new elements into your web page. And in this case, we're going to use it to add the banner. In the search field that appears, type the word cover. The cover block is a great option because it allows you to add a full-width image that can include optional overlay text. It's versatile, visually appealing, and perfect for banners. Once you see the cover block in the search results, click on it to add it to your page. Now it's time to choose the image for your banner. Depending on where your image is stored, you have a couple of options. If you want to upload a new image from your computer, simply click the Upload button and select the file you'd like to use. Alternatively, if you've already uploaded images to your WordPress media library, you can click Browse to explore your existing collection and pick the image you want. Both options are straightforward, so choose whichever works best for you. Once your image is loaded into the cover block, your banner is officially added to your WordPress site. From here, you can customize it further, like adjusting the size, adding overlay text, or tweaking the design to match your site's style. And there you have it. You've successfully added a banner to your WordPress site. Banners are a simple yet effective way to enhance your website's look and feel, and now you know exactly how to do it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.